In this tutorial I will be explaining how to add purchase order, step by step. That is, you just order for some products from a particular supplier and you're adding it into the system, or you ordered for, or you want to order for some products. So follow me step by step. The first thing to do is to navigate to purchase tab here. Click on purchase tab, then add purchase. Once you click on add purchase, this is where you are going to add your purchase. The first thing you have to do here is to add your supplier. If for the first time you are adding for a particular supplier, I've already added some supplier, so if for the first time, just click this plus button. Now you can see it. Once you can say add a new contact. Now switch to business. Once you click this, switch to business, because you are dealing with supplier, is business to business. So put the name of the supplier here. Let's say Mr. Supplier B. Mr. Supplier B Limited. Are you getting it? So phone number, you put the phone number here, 08133333344, just for example purpose. Then you put the email. You can put any email of your choice here anyway, and you can leave it blank. So for that particular supplier, then you click save. You can see contact added successfully. You can see the name of the supplier shown here. So next time if you want to add any product for this particular supplier, just click this drop down and search for this name here. So let me search for Mr. Supplier. As you can see it, I'll just click it. So because I've added it before, that is why it's showing it in the drop down. That is. Then let's move to the next thing. Another thing you need to do is to navigate to purchase status. Click on purchase status. Then I want to explain the difference between this receive, pending and ordered. Receive product means they've already brought the goods into your store, then you want to add it into the system. And ordered means you want to order for it, you want to order for that particular product. Pending means product that are still on the way, that has not, you've ordered for it but has not gotten to your store. So that is about what we, for this purpose of this tutorial, I will be using order. Now all the product I'm about to add now, they are the products I want to order, like the product that are low in stock or the one that has expired. I want to order for more from this particular supplier, So you can see now the purchase status is order. So I want to order for it. I want to note it down, so that once you note it down, you save it here, then you can now send it to that supplier. You don't need to write anything, just put this one on order. Then all the product that you want to order that are due for order, be searching it one by one. For instance, let's search for Fab Biscuit. As you can see it, I'll click Fab Biscuit. So now you can see the current stock here is 104 pieces. Then let's say we are buying 2 dozens of Fab. We want to order for 2 dozen of Fab Biscuit. So inside a dozen we have 12 pieces, right? So it means we are going to put 24 here. That is 2. This 24 stands for 2 dozens. We have 12 in a dozen. Then this is the unit purchase price. The unit purchase price is, let's say the purchase price has now increased, or it has the price you bought it the last time is not the price you buy it now. So you just need to change it from, let's say it has increased to 70,000. This is just for a demo purpose. Then you move to unit selling price. Let's say you are now selling it for 90,000. Don't forget this. So this unit, this you are selling, it means you are selling one. Are you getting it now? You are selling one for 90,000. You are selling the unit purchase price for 70,000. This is just the demo purpose. Or let's say 7,000. then we switch this one to 9,000, not 90,000. So this is the purchase price, this is the new purchase price, and this is the new selling price. It means if you are selling this particular thing, this is the selling price that will be reflecting on this particular one you're adding. Another thing that is here is you have to add the expiry date. The expiry date, let's say the product will expire by 2026 December 31, as you can see it. So if you want to add any other product, if you want to order for another any other product, what you need to do is to search for that product. Let's search for another product, Aboniki. So Aboniki BAM, this is another product. Currently we have 112 in the store, as you can see it here. So let's say there are 5, maybe it's sell by pack, there are 5 in a pack. So and we want to order for 5 packs, and there are 5 in a pack, which means that will be, this one will be 25. That is 5 times 5. I believe you are getting it. Then it was bought for 100 naira before per one. Now since it's now increased, now we want to change the price. The purchase price has increased more than before. So let's say it is now 200 naira for purchase price. Then unit cost price, let's say 400 naira. You're not selling it 400 naira for unit cost price. That is 400 naira per one for selling price. So that is that you can choose the expiry date here. If it's a product that do expire. If you are not selling product that do expire, like electronic stores and co, you can leave this place blank. So that is that. Once you've done that, now don't forget these are the products that we want to order from this particular supplier. We want to order it, so we are putting it down so that we can send it to the supplier that these are the products that we want to order. We want this, we want this. So we can now later go and change the status. Now don't forget today's date, purchased, we are ordering it today. So that is that. Then you scroll down. Then another place we have business location here. This business location, you can switch it. If you have more than one business location, you can switch it from between one business location to another. So that is that. Then you scroll down. You can put the amount you are paying here, paid on this date. Then once you fill that, or you may leave it, then you click on save. Now forget you just ordered for some products. Now we want to, by the time the supplier, now we've already now okay, let me show you how you can, all the product that we've ordered for. Let's go and check it now. Once you click save, we want to go and check for the product that we want to order for, that we just save the product, all the products we've saved recently. So just come to navigate to list purchase. Once you click on list purchase, we want to send it to that particular supplier. We want to export it as a PDF and send it to the particular supplier, maybe on WhatsApp, via WhatsApp or via email. So what you need to do now is to the supplier name, let's say Mr. Supplier, this particular supplier we want to send our order to. Then status, order, the product that we've just ordered recently. You can see these are the products that we just ordered recently. So what we are now going to do is to export as PDF. Export to PDF. You can see it at the top of your software. You are going to see it. Now let's open it and see how it looks like. Now can you see it now? Let me zoom it. As you can see it now, this is the, once we open it, this is, so you can now send this. You can send it once you have it on your system. You can now send it as a PDF to your supplier. Now I want to check inside my download folder. Now you can see, so just click this, right click on it. Once you right click on it, then send. You can send to, can you see it? You can send via mail, you can send via to WhatsApp, you can copy it and send to anywhere. You can copy it to your phones, copy it and send it to via WhatsApp to that particular supplier. So that is how to do that. Once they now bring all the product that you ordered for, that you just sent to the supplier, once they bring it, so you now you switch to this list POS. You click list POS. So if you want to check for all supplier, just switch this to all supplier. Now by the time the supplier bring all the product that you just send to him or her via WhatsApp or via email, by the time they bring the product down to your store, by the time they deliver it, now you need to come back to list purchase here. Then once you click list purchase, you are going to click the name of that particular supplier, or if you want to the name of the particular supplier that you sent, that has brought their this thing to your store. So now click on, we want to change the status of everything now. So click on order. So these are the things that we ordered from this particular that we just sent to that particular supplier. So we want to change it. We want to change this thing to received because it has been delivered now. So update status. You click on action, then you click on update status. You change it to received. That it has been we update it. Can you see it? Then this one too has been received. So click action, then switch update status, then change it to received. This one too has been received from that particular supplier. So that is how to add purchase in BIMS POS software. Method 2 now. So that's just how to order for products from BIMS POS software. You order for it here, you send it to the supplier. Once the supplier bring the all the products you ordered for that you send to him or her, once they bring it to your office, you switch back to list purchase here, then you filter it by order, then you are going to change the status back to received, and that's all. So automatically everything that you ordered will be added to your software, to your store automatically. So that is that. Through that, it will be faster and easier. But let's say the particular supplier has brought the product already, so you just need to now let's say this particular supplier has brought the product already. So what we need to do now is to click the name of the supplier, then we put this one on received. That is, they just bring it. Even before we order for it, they bring it. So we don't order for it before they bring it. They just bring it, then we buy. So everything that we buy from that particular supplier, you just need to add it here. Then don't forget, make sure you put your amount, the amount you are paying for this particular order. Add it here. Make sure you put it, and put this one on cash. Now add a short note, then you click on save, and that is that. So automatically you've received this. Once you put it on received, automatically it will be added to your inventory. It will be added to the quantity and prices of your inventory. So that is how to add purchase order in BIMS POS software. See you in the next video.